Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again on this very, very hot summer's morning. And what have we got here today? We've got an LDV D90 that's had a little bit of an oopsie already by the look of it, but we're going to get a Towbar kit fitted on this bad boy today, and we're going to get right into it.
Hey, all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for whatever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in a stretcher. The comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chillin' in the desert, I'm good under pressure.
Stick around with me, hold it down, look at what we found.
This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
On the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down.
That's a crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout.
Stick around with me, hold it down, look at what we found.
Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
On the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down.
That's a crown on me, wear it proud. What they was talking about. All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for whatever, I'll be front and center. Quick to sever, however, whoever. Raining from above, we shooting down through your umbrella. Ayy, getting fed up, nothing you could tell us. Snapping every shot I take, just wait till it develops.
Stick around with me, hold it down, look at what we found.
This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
On the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down.
That's a crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout.
Stick around with me, hold it down, look at what we found.
Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
On the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down.
That's a crown on me, wear it proud. What they was talking
Stick
about.
around with me, hold it down, look at what we found. From the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down. Stick around with me, hold it down, look at what we found.
Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
From the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down.
That's a crown on me, wear it proud. What they was talking about.
Alrighty guys, just putting the final touches on this one now. You can see very, very straightforward. We've got the BTA bar fitted. I believe the towing capacity on these is 3 tons. I think. Anyway, 7-pin plug has been fitted as well. We go ahead and get the ECU module on there, making sure that everything works correctly when you put the trailer on it. If you want a tow bar on anything that can tow, SUV, RAV4, Camry. I don't know if we got tow bars for Echoes, but if we do, we can do it. All right, let me just double check that towing capacity real quick. What do we got? Turns out it's 3,100 kilograms. I wasn't too far off the mark. Other than that, guys, we'll see you guys on the next one.